Hello, my friends. I'm going to do a background today using Prizm pour paints for a painting I have in mind. And let me show you the last Prizm pour painting I did, the dry result. I've varnished it, and so it's a little reflective here, hard for you to see, but you can see the lovely shimmer of the gold. I just love some of the effects. I got like this area a lot, and you can see the metallics there. And this is an interesting area. That was kind of peacock feather looking. Anyway, I'm pretty pleased with it. It's pretty busy, but it's fun. And if anyone's interested in it, just email me. It's not on my website yet. And let me show you something else. I had a pet commission, and I used Prizm pour paints, and I just watered it down because I wanted a very muted background with a bit of shimmer to it. I have not yet varnished this, but when I do, I think it'll look quite lovely. And in fact, this client wanted two paintings, two originals, to give to each of his divorced parents, so I had to duplicate those dogs twice. And I used the same paints for the background. This one, I think I hit it with a torch, and I got these little cells. I'm not sure which I like better. Anyway, that's that. So I did not make a video of that background, and I do recall that I added a lot more water than I did on the one I first showed you. So I'm going to do the same thing with these paints, and I'm using pinks. I've got Pink Lady. That's this one, I believe. And Frosted Berry. This one here. Can't figure out where to show you. I'm having trouble with shadows here. My new lights are a bit problematic. And then I mixed a color. You know, as lovely as they are, it's fun to mix them also. So I mixed Poinsettia and Blue Bonnet to come up with this red violet. And well, that's a pretty one. I think that'll look nice with the pinks. And then I've got some Chantilly lace, which is a white-ish color. And then this is Tuscan Sun. And while it's really pretty, I think I'd rather have it be more orangey. So I'm going to add some of this one to it. Or should I add? Yeah, I'll add this one to it. Let's see what we get. Just afraid that yellow is too, will just stand out too much, but the orangey will fit in better. That's a nice warm yellow now. I like that better. I like the way it looks with the purple. Anyway, it's very watery. I did 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, and 1 part water. And I think that's close to what I did on the dog background, but I'm not sure. So I don't know if it's going to work or not. I'm going to go from dark to light and maybe do a couple layers. Maybe this one. I don't want to say what the painting I have in mind is because I don't want to commit to it. I may change my mind. I'm going to turn it this way and add on this other side of the cup. But you can see how runny it is. Did I show you? It's very runny. It leaves a tiny little mound, but not much. Oops, I think I switched the order, but that's okay. And I got one more layer. That is a really pretty color. This one, what is it again? Pink Lady. And this one I'm pour from up high just to kind of blend it all. Oh, isn't that fun? Look at that. Okay, I really don't know what to expect here. I'm going to do a flip cup and then drag it and move it around. Is that all in the picture? I think so. I forgot to mark the canvas. I have a coupon code for Prizm Pour paints. Save 20% by using the code down below in the description box. Here we go. Ooh, 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 pretty. Oh my gosh, that is pretty. Oh, that's fun. It's very runny, which is what I expected and wanted. I don't think I'm going to hit it with a torch. Let's just move it around and see how it looks. Oh, the shimmer is so lovely. I love painting with a brush, and I just love a poured background. It's interesting and fast, and I could never duplicate a background like this with a paintbrush. So it really makes me happy when I can come up with something pretty in a pour. Oh, wow. Oh, that's quite pretty, I have to say. Set it down. I'm liking this. I actually wish I had more light in the air. I mean, this would be really pretty for the background I have in mind. So I'm going to tilt down this way. Bubble. I don't know what that is. I'm going to sacrifice some of this and stretch out that lighter area. I see some light here, so that's good. I like it. I think it's going to work just fine. Okay. Pinks, can you believe it? It's almost a little marbly looking. Now it's going to lose some of the shimmer as it dries, but should come back when I varnish. Okay, well, I know it doesn't look like much now, but I like it. I think it's going to be just fine for what I have in mind. I'll show it to you when it's done. Thanks for joining me. Bye now.